Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH. This video is very useful for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Hospital Management and other courses entrance exam like Common University Entrance Test CUT PG. For CUT PG, entrance exam for 2024 session will be in March 2024 and registration may start in January 2024. So this video is very useful for hospital management, public health entrance exam for Common University Entrance Test CUT PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institute which conducts hospital management, Master of Public Health and other entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, hospital management, public health and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want to join online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, not safe disposal but good for soil building. Not safe disposal but good for soil building. Option A, incineration. Option B, controlled tipping. Option C, compositing. Option D, dumping. Correct answer is option C, compositing. So not safe disposal but good for soil building. Correct answer is compositing. Compositing is not safe disposal but good for soil building. Next question is, plastic cover of syringes are disposed in. Plastic cover of syringes are disposed in. Option A, red bag. Option B, yellow bag. Option C, black bag. Option D, blue bag. Correct answer is black bag. So plastic cover of syringes are disposed in black bag. So black bag is used for disposal of plastic syringes. Next question, waste sharps should be disposed in. Waste sharps should be disposed in. Option A, black bag. Option B, yellow bag. Option C, white bag. Option D, yellow bag. Correct answer is option C, white bag. Waste sharps should be disposed in. Correct answer is white bag. So waste sharps should be disposed in white bag. Next question is, true about incinerator is R. True about incinerator is R. Option A, red bag can be incinerated. Option B, no pre-treatment required. Option C, yellow bag must be incinerated. Option D, sharps must not be incinerated. Option E, combustible matter must be above 30%. So true about incinerator is R. So option C and D, that is yellow bag must be incinerated and sharps must not be incinerated. These two options are true about incinerator. And option A, B and E, that is red bag can be incinerated, no pre-treatment required, combustible matter must be above 30%. These options are not true about incinerator. Next question, incineration is not done for. Incineration is not done for. Option A, anatomical waste. Option B, sharps waste. Option C, cytotoxic drugs. Option D, radioactive waste. Option E, animal waste. So incineration is not done for. Correct option is option B and D. Incineration is not done for sharps waste and radioactive waste. And option A, C and E for anatomical waste, cytotoxic drugs and animal waste, incineration is done. Next question is, true about inertization, all accept. True about inertization, all accept. Option A, mixing biomedical waste with cement. Option B, used for pharmaceutical waste. Option C, contaminates water sources. Option D, not useful for infectious waste. So true about inertization, all except. So option C, contaminates water sources. This option is not true about inertization. And option A, B and D, that is mixing biomedical waste with cement, used for pharmaceutical waste, not useful for infectious waste. These three options are true about inertization. And option C, that is contaminates water sources, this option is not true about inertization. Next question is incineration is done for BMW, that is biomedical waste management categories. Incineration is done for BMW categories. Option A 1 only, option B 3,6,7, option C 1,2,3, option D 1,2,3,6. So correct answer is option D 1,2,3,6. Incineration is done for biomedical waste management categories 1, 2, 3, 6. Next question, waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by. Waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by option A disposing it in blue bags, option B autoclaving, option C incineration, option D microwaving. So correct answer is option C incineration. Waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by incineration. So waste disposal of placenta after delivery is done by incineration. Next question, all are incinerated except option A human anatomical waste, option B animal waste, option C infected solid waste, option D broken thermometers. So correct answer is option D broken thermometers. All are incinerated except broken thermometers. So broken thermometers are not incinerated. And option A, B and C, that is human anatomical waste, animal waste, infected solid waste, these three are incinerated. Next question is urine bags and catheters biomedical waste will be disposed in. Urine bags and catheters biomedical waste will be disposed in. Option A yellow bag, option B red bag, option C white container, option D blue bag. So correct answer is red bag. Urine bags and catheters biomedical waste will be disposed in. Correct answer is red bag. So urine bags and catheters biomedical waste will be disposed in red bag. Next question is biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as. Biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as option A incineration, option B inertization, option C shredding, option D autoclaving. Correct answer is option B inertization. Biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as, correct answer is inertization. Biomedical waste mixing with cement is known as inertization. Next question is advantage of single chamber incinerator. Advantage of single chamber incinerator, option A low pollutant emissions, option B effective for thermally resistant articles, option C good efficiency, option D all of the above. So correct answer is option C good efficiency. Advantage of single chamber incinerator, correct answer is good efficiency. So advantage of single chamber incinerator is good efficiency and low pollutant emissions, effective for thermally resistant articles, all of the above. These options are not true about advantage of single chamber incinerator. Next question is blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by dash compounds. Blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by dash compounds. Option A quaternary ammonium, option B chlorine based, option C phenol based, option D alcohol based. Correct answer is chlorine based. Blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by, correct answer is chlorine based. So blood spills in Indian hospitals are disinfected by chlorine based. Next question is cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is. Cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is option A incineration, option B microwaving, option C autoclaving, option D dry heat. So correct answer is option A incineration. cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is, correct answer is incineration. So cytotoxic drugs disposal mechanism in India is known as incineration. Next question is, according to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration oblique deep burial of the plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code. According to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration oblique deep burial oblique plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code. Option A blue, option B red, option C yellow, option D white, option E none. So correct answer is option C yellow. According to Biomedical Waste Rule 2016, incineration oblique deep burial oblique plasma pyrolysis is done for bag having color code yellow. Next question is, body fluids and fetuses are classified under this category of waste. Body fluids and fetuses are classified under this category of waste. Option A infectious waste, option B pathological waste, option C genotoxic waste, option D humanized waste. So correct answer is option B pathological waste. Body fluids and fetuses are classified under pathological waste, pathological category of waste. So body fluids and fetuses are classified under pathological waste category of waste. Next question is, cytotoxic drug is disposed in. Cytotoxic drug is disposed in option A yellow bag, option B red bag, option C blue bag, option D black bag. So correct answer is option A yellow bag. Cytotoxic drug is disposed in yellow bag. Next question is, following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed which color coded bin? Following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed which color coded bin? Option A red, option B yellow, option C blue, option D white. So correct answer is option B yellow. Following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed yellow color coded bin. So following blood transfusion, blood bags are disposed in yellow color coded bin. Next question is, biodegradable waste products disposing in which of the color code of the bags? Biodegradable waste products disposing in which of the color code of the bags? Option A blue, option B black, option C green, option D yellow. Correct answer is option D yellow. Biodegradable waste products disposing in yellow color code of the bag. So biodegradable waste products disposing in yellow color code of the bags. Next question is, 3D means in hospital waste management is. 3D means in hospital waste management is option A disinfection, option B option A disinfection disposal drainage, option B discard disinfection drainage, option C destruction deep burial drainage, option D destruction deep burial disposal. Correct answer is option A disinfection disposal drainage. So 3D means in hospital waste management is, correct answer is disinfection disposal drainage. So meaning of 3D in hospital waste management is disinfection, disposal and drainage. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given, which are very useful for various university and institutes, public health, hospital management and other competitive exams like Common University Entrance Test, CUT, PG, AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, Hospital Management and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, hospital management, public health and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974 And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.